Hello everyone, my name is Lanez. I go by Green Hojitas on Instagram and I got a new plant in the mail today, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. I got this from the US Hoya market on Facebook. I've been getting all my Hoya cuttings from there. It's a little more affordable and I've had really good experiences shopping at the Facebook marketplace. So let's get to it. So this plant I actually have already bought, but I killed it and I don't want to give up on it, so I got it again. I actually got a bigger size this time. I'm a sucker for packaging. Clear plant tags. Are you kidding? I'm glad I got this on video because this is top tier. That packaging is crazy. That's a really good packaging. I actually have a label printer and I have clear stickers, so this will go really good with this. So thank you for that. I'm acting like she's going to watch the video. So funny. So this is Hoya Lima Splash. Like I said, I had a cutting. It was a 2-leaf cutting, but I wasn't very good at caring for cuttings and rooting cuttings, so it died. But I've gotten a little better, and this seems to already be established, which is really good. I actually like to open my packages in the garage, but for the sake of the video, I'm here. And this was shipped in Palm. This is really cool. Yeah, it has a really good root system. It's just so pretty. I love small leaf Hoyas. Hope you guys can see. I'm so happy. So now that I unboxed it, actually not going to repot it because I keep my plants in pot. So I'm just going to spray the leaves down with a little bit of dish soap and warm water and put it in my greenhouse cabinet. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!